In this video, we will try to understand the ternary operator. So ternary operator is basically the condition expression that evaluate the statement and perform uh, the task or action based on that, based on the true and false condition. So let's try to understand with some example. Suppose I'm defining A and B as these values. So A is basically 50 and the B is basically 30. And I'm printing the minimum value out of that. So if A is less than B, then A will be printed, else the B will be printed. So first A I have written, then I'm putting a condition, and then I'm putting a B. So this is the finest way of writing the program. So you can see the B will be printed now because B is small. If you put it here as 130, let's put it here as 130, then the minimum value is A, so A will be printed now. Whatever minimum value is there, that will be printed. Okay. There's one more way of writing it down, very simple way. B comma A less than B. Whatever less value is there, that will be printed. Great. Now true and false condition also you can use. So true, instead of writing B and A directly, you can just write down true and false as a condition. Or you can write as a lambda also. This is also going to work. So the three different way of writing it down, the ternary operator for checking, actually four ways of writing it down, which value is smaller. Great. Now suppose if I'm taking A and B value, and I'm checking both are equal or not equal, or A is greater than B, A is greater than B, A is smaller than B, or A equal to B. So three condition I'm putting. If A equal to B, A is greater than B, A is less than B. So suppose I'm taking A is greater, so it is going to print A is greater than B. So first is a normal both are equal, then the condition is A is greater than B and otherwise B is greater than A. Okay, let's put it here as 1. So now B is greater than A. So let's run this. Okay, so let's keep this both as equal. So both values are equal. When you take A and B, 60 and 50. So I'm just checking again the minimum value, or you can check for a maximum value also. So you can make it like this. Now the maximum value will be printed. So let's rename that max, because we have seen the mean in the start. So we can make it as max. So very interesting conditional operator. First we need to run that. Okay. Very interesting conditional expression in the Python, and it makes your program pretty simple to write. And in just one line we can write, we can check the condition and we can even print that.